Your dog is gonna have a puppy, and we're running out of coal. No enchiladas in the icebox, and the television's broke. I saw some lipstick on your sweatshirt, I smell some perfume in your ear. Well, if you're gonna keep on messing, don't bring your business back here. Speedy Gonzales, why don't you come home?
Run. Confuses attackers.
Знам, че ще е по-добре да бягам, но не знам къде, някъде надалеч. Бързо ли бягам, бавно ли тичаш, никой не разбра.